Welcome. How to make your own hand sanitizer at home. How to use it. 2/3 cup isopropyl alcohol 91%. 1/3 cup aloe vera gel is all you need to get your own hand sanitizer. Let's learn art and science of the hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizer is a liquid generally used to decrease infectious agents on the hands. Formulations of the alcohol-based type are preferable to hand washing with soap and water in most situations in the healthcare setting. Outside the healthcare setting, evidence to support the use of hand sanitizer over hand washing is poor. They are available as liquids, gels, and foams. Alcohol-based versions typically contain some combination of isopropyl alcohol, ethanol, or N-propanol. Versions that contain 60 to 95% alcohol are most effective. Care should be taken as they are flammable. CDC recommends washing hands with soap and water whenever possible because hand washing reduces the amounts of all types of germs and chemicals on hands. But if soap and water are not available, using a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol can help you avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. The guidance for effective hand washing and use of hand sanitizer in community settings was developed based on data from a number of studies. The CDC recommends using hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol content. Here's what you need to make one at home. 2/3 cup isopropyl alcohol 91%. 1/3 cup aloe vera gel. A small or medium mixing bowl. A spoon. An empty container. A small piece of masking tape for labeling. Here's how to make it. In a mixing bowl, stir isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel together until well blended. Pour the homemade hand sanitizer into an empty container. Label it. You are done. The CDC recommends using hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol content. This recipe makes it with more than 60% alcohol content. Note that washing your hands is the #1 way to keep your hands germ-free. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.